So if you have a domain sat with IONOS and your hosting sat with myself, you will need to update the name servers for your domain so that it points to your website. And to do this, you will log in to your IONOS client area and navigate to your home page. Basically, I can't remember what comes up as standard when you first log in, but you kind of want to get to your home page where you've got these options. You want to click on domains and SSL, and you will see your list of domains, whether that's 1, 2, 3, 12, 70. Click on the domain that you want to use, and you'll have a load of random information that will not mean a huge amount. And then you want to come over to Nameserver, and as standard you'll be using the IONOS Nameservers, and you want to click Use Custom Nameservers. And then you will have these sent to you. I don't know why it comes up a load of names. So ns1 stackdns.com, and then you just want to change it so it's ns1, ns2, ns3. The end bit stays the same on each one, and click save. And it will say they'll be applied. It can take up to 48 hours for the change to take effect. Quite often it is quicker than that, but yeah, there's up to 48 hours for all of the back-end noggins to work away and get those changed over. Once they are live, I can keep an eye on that. If I know that you've done the name server bit, I can keep an eye on once it has changed over, and you can change your website, which will potentially have a stack staging website. So it potentially have stack staging in your domain at the minute. We can go through, we can get that removed, so it is just your domain as it should be. So for the instance on this one, prorevivesw.co.uk, rather than having stack staging within the name. That just shows that it is a staging website, and it's not sat on a live, the domain isn't sat on a live hosting yet. But once we do this, change the name servers, then it can be live, and the stack staging part will go. Hopefully that's helped. It's very similar on other domain providers. The same kind of, like, you need to change the same settings. It's always your name servers, but different domain providers will be in slightly different places. So if you also have domains elsewhere, it's the same process. You may be looking in a different place. Hopefully that has been helpful.